chapter 2 of the Holy Quran, Surah al-Baqarah. It has 286 verses and 40 ruku. In this video, we will explore the first ruku, the first 5 verses, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Only Allah knows their true meaning. Verse 2. This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those who fear Allah. Verse 3. Those who believe in the unseen establish prayer and spend from what we have given them. Verse 4. And they believe in what was revealed to you, O Prophet, and what was revealed before you, and they are certain of the hereafter. Verse 5. It is they who are truly guided by their Lord, and it is they who will be successful. Let's look at a simple summary of these verses. Number 1, this book is perfect and free of doubt. Number 2, true believers are those who have faith in the unseen, pray regularly, and give in charity. Number 3, they believe in all revelation, past and present, and they live with certainty of the hereafter. The Prophet Muhammad said, recite Surah al-Baqarah, taking it as a blessing, leaving it as a cause of regret. The message of this